This is the devil weed. It's wisteria. See, I guess we're gonna have flowers here. Look at all this. I didn't plant any of this. Look how aggressive it is. Look at all these flowers. People plant them because they're very, very pretty. But what they don't realize is that these, from like way back there. Look at this, my poor neighbor. See? Devil weed. See, and it's aggressive, but it's woody. So you can't just break it. Now you can, when it's younger. Look at this. Look at that pile of horrible. Horrible. But it's all sticking out because it is a vine and it's looking for A, sunlight, but B, something to latch onto, like a fence. And then it'll find this fence and it'll just grow. It's ridiculous. It's horrible. Also, I hate it. And I cut these trees down. Oh, what's this? I cut them down, but I didn't get it all. I don't know what this is. It's got thorns on it. I don't know. So we've got ivy, which I like. Something with red berries. Don't know. Holly. See, what is this? I think this is wisteria, but I'm not sure. This stuff. Now here's the problem with it. If you cut it down, you have to pick it up. And it's covered in barbs. So it's like, it's a monster. So I don't think this one was here when I moved in. It's just flourished. See, the ivy is taking over. It's not a good thing. Don't know what this is. I think it's wisteria. Just because of how, actually I have no idea what it is. There's a cup. I have no idea what this is. I haven't been back here in a while. Just to avoid everything. All that's all wisteria. Sun came out, brightened up. See, you can see those flowers? They're gonna be purple. That's why people want them. They want that, but they don't want this. This is dead. I don't know what this is, but it's dead. What else is back here? Don't know. Something dead. I don't know what has the, ow. What has these prickers? I don't know what this is. Okay. This, I can't remember what it's called, but I think it's edible. I think it was on the list of things. I'm not eating it, but I think it was on my list of edible things. And this is the trees that are growing in the front, and I hate them so much. I had them all cut down. They all grow back. That's the thing. Everything grows back. I don't know what this is. we've got the ivy. I might know what that is, just can't remember. Right here, see, I got to deal with this ivy. The problem is, I think it's so pretty. Brightly colored flowers. I think it's one of these bushes. This is really pretty in the center. This right here. Do you see that? I think that's the wisteria. I don't know which kind of tree this is, but well, I don't know. The vine around it's either wisteria or the ivy. And I think this is from where, like, I pulled some of the vines off the house. Yeah, see how it's stuck to the house? Okay, so yeah, I think that's just the ivy. Look at this. Years ago, I have a picture of both my cats laying right here. One on each step. This is insane. It's like, I just don't come back here. And I don't even think about it. It's like I send somebody to cut the grass. And now I have a forest. Okay, so that tree has been completely cut to the ground. Those trees have been completely cut to the ground. There were 2 wisteria trees right here. We cut them off and killed them, but they didn't kill them. Let's see if I can find them. Look. See that? This is wisteria. This is what it does. It is aggressive. Go over here, anywhere. I'll figure this place to show you. Right here. This is wisteria. It doesn't have any flowers because it didn't have any sun. You see? It's up there. All this. That is wisteria. Look at it. See, I'm not killing it. I'm just pulling it. It's gonna keep growing. It does have some barbs on it. Look at it. See? It goes over here. Around these trees. This. It's looking for, it's a vine. It's looking for sunlight. And it's looking for something to attach to. Okay. There's that horrible evil tree. Oh, another way you can tell it's the wisteria. See, we've got sunlight right here. So we're gonna have flowers. And it will be very pretty. And the leaves will be pretty. But it's a mess. I don't know what that is. This is that horrible wisteria again. And it used to be, there was a bunch of, this summer, probably come back, a bunch of poison ivy back here. And I was able to kill all that. You know what? These flowers could be part of that wisteria. These are dead. So this is all new in the last year or two. Oops. Here's the creek. There's the property line. So it goes through the creek and goes that way. I don't know where else. I would land over there, but I don't know how far over. Maybe I'll go look. That tree right there. Right there. Right over there. It's that guy's tree. And I told him a couple years ago, I said, I think your tree's getting leaning. And I said, well, is it mine or yours? And he said, it's mine, I'll take care of it. And then a couple years later it falls, and he says, so I went and told him, and his homeowner's insurance said that as long as it's on my land, which is, I guess is what's true, if a tree falls on your property, it's your responsibility, no matter whose tree it is. So he ignored his tree. It fell on my property, and so it's my problem. So it also, there was a telephone pole, was still there. The telephone pole there, that's my building. Ooh, something here. Yeah. So knocked the telephone building out, but the flooding is really what caused it, because you see the ground's gone underneath it. Okay, so like I said, this floods a lot, and the city did something about it finally after 100 calls. But look, I've never seen this before. Don't know what that metal thing is.